Happy Sunday, guys. Today I'm making some Jolly Rancher. Let me tell you, some good rum shots up in here today, Sunday. So here I have my snap glasses, my different flavors of Jolly Rancher candies. I'm going to remove the wrapper, and my best shot at this point is to place it on the board, put a piece of plastic, and just smash them. Just like this. If you know of another way that you can smash them, then leave a comment below. Alright? And at this time, they're smelling so good that you can just eat them without even making your shots. So what I'm going to do is place them individually in each glasses. You don't want to mix them up. Just place them in there. These are so easy to make. They're a great hit at any party, guys. Trust me, you need to try these boozy little treats. But you must drink responsibly. Alright? Once I place them into the glasses here, I'm going to use some of my Guyana Diamond rum. At this time, you can use any type of liquor that you want. For me, I would prefer either vodka or the white rum. It blends really well with the flavor of the Jolly Rancher candies. And then you want to pour it into the glass just above covering the smashed candies. Just like this. Once you're done covering them, you can chill it and serve as it is. Drink off your shots, and you can still get your sweets there to grump on, alright? Or you can also just take a stirrer and just dissolve the candies. And it's that simple, guys. Once you dissolve them, chill them, and it's all done. Your Jolly Rancher rum shots is ready to serve. Your family and friends who would love shots at a party would commend you for this. Alright? So here we're toasting. I did make sure I leave one for you. Drink responsibly, guys. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video.